We got this air filter, air filtration system here from HEAPETS. They sent this to us so we could show it to you. And I haven't got it plugged in yet. I got the power cord here. It was attached to the bottom there. Got that and got the owner's manual and stuff. It's packaged very, very nicely, so it's not going to get damaged in shipment under normal circumstances for sure. But one of the first things you have to do, you can see on the top there's all the control buttons, and then there's this little remove the plastic packaging from around the filters note here, which I have already done halfway. But basically what you do is the front panel shell comes off, ta-da, like this, just very easily, just clips on and off. And inside of here there's a filter that's in a plastic bag, which you need to take out and then reset back in there. And I got it out of the plastic bag here, but you can see one side is kind of has this honeycomb look to it, and the other side kind of has just a regular filter look to it. And then there's a couple of pull tabs here, so you just set it in here so that it fits, and then you've got the pull tabs when it's time to take it out and change it. It's just easy to pull on those and pull it straight out. And then the front just clips back on, a couple little hingy things there, and a little clip and clip on that side and that side. And I already changed it on the back side. There's another one just identical to that back here, and this panel comes off also. You can see there's the filter I already did back on the back side there. So anyway, we're going to get it plugged in. There's a little grab handle there, and this is apparently the sensor where the air quality gets measured and stuff with that little thing there, so you don't want to block that too much, because that is going to be important. There's a little display screen here, and of course the buttons on the top. It has a child safe button where I think you hold it down for about 3 seconds and then it puts it into child safety mode, so they're not going to mess with all the buttons on it and mess it up or whatever. The A is automatic. There's a sleep mode, which kind of dims all the lights and stuff, so that's nice if you have it in a room where you're sleeping. So anyway, we're going to get it plugged in and get it going. On the bottom here you can see here's where the little power end goes in. That little thing just goes right in there, and then the cord just threads through that little slot right there, so that the cord, it's not sitting on, this is the bottom of the unit, and so it's not sitting directly on the cord. The cord has a little pass-through slot there, so just push that through into there, and then put that there, and then we'll stand it up and put it on the shelf. Okay, so when I plugged it in, this little light above the A turned what's red, and then I pushed, or actually the one over the power button was red, and then I pushed that to turn the power on. So now it's going. You can see the display screen here. It sounds like it's going here, and yep, air's coming out of there. So it's probably sucking the air in through these filters here, and then coming out here all filtered and nice and way lovelier than before. So then of course you got all your functions here, and this is going to tell you to redo your filter when that starts getting all dirty and clogged up, and it's very dusty here, so I suspect that will actually come on here pretty soon. There's your fan speeds. See, that's low, that's higher, that's quieter. Yep. And there's like a timer function, and this is the child safety lock part and stuff. So yeah, anyway, that's going to be good. We're going to see how it does here. Yeah, I'm excited to have that, because like I said, it's very dusty here in the Southwest, so hopefully that will help make our breathing a little bit better. Not that we are having a struggle with breathing, we're not, but it's just nice when you can see and feel the dust everywhere. You're breathing it too. So anyway, good stuff. Thanks for sending that.